All right, so we have this, we said that this gives us a series, okay, or the sum of an AP. And so we know that the first term will be this one, the second, the third, the fourth, the third, and then the last term here. So this same arrangement, we can flip it, as in, since it's the same numbers, we can actually start it from the back here to the beginning. Okay, so we just flip it. So we can see that this is the last term. This will reduce by 1 from n minus 1. This will be the second last term, the third last term, and then the first term. The idea behind generating this formula is that you need to understand or know how to write down this in complete form, and also you need to reverse it. Okay, now the idea is that we are supposed to add these two and then show our answer there. Now, all right, so we know for sure that if we added these two, we're going to have 2SN, right? And then we are going to try and add the next two terms. Remember, this is the first term, and then we'll add it together with the last term, right? So I'll do the quick addition here. This will be A1 plus, in fact, let me just show my working here. All right, so this addition here, I'll put it in brackets. It will be A1, which is this one, plus A1, and then we have n minus 1 d, like that. That'll be our first. Then we go to our second one. Our second will be this term here, okay, and the second last term. So we're adding the second and the second last. What does it give us? So that one will give us, it's going to give us A1 plus D, then plus A1 plus n minus 2 D, like that. Okay. Then we're going to add the next terms, which is this one, the third. It will go with the third last. So remember, here we are ascending, here we are descending. And so we add those two. Okay, we're going to continue here. Okay, so here we're going to say A1 plus 2D, like that. Then plus, we're going to add with the third last, A1 plus n minus 3 D, like that. Then we're going to add the last term. Okay, the last term, I'll highlight it with red again. So we're going to say this is the last term, and that's the first term. So we add those two. Remember, one is descending, one is ascending. One is, yes, let's just leave it at that. So this one will be A1 plus n minus 1 D, then plus A1, like that. Okay, but we need to remember that here we have this gap and there we have that gap. So we're going to maintain this. We're going to say plus here, and then we're going to maintain that. Okay. So now, here, what are we going to obtain? We're going to obtain these two are going to add with each other. So it's going to be 2a1, okay, plus okay, sorry, this is plus 2a1, all right? Then we're going to have n minus 1 d like that. That's the first one. The second one, we're going to simplify it as well. So this is going to be 2a1. Let's put it in brackets, 2a1 like that. Then this is going to be what? This is going to be 2a1. And then I'm going to expand this. Okay, I'm going to expand this. So just to show you on the side. So this will, because I don't have enough space. So this, I'll show my working here. So this one here will be n d. Okay, if I expand this, then this will be minus 2d. But if you look at this, we've got a d here. So the d will come and reduce this. So this one becomes n d minus d, right? So we factorize the d will give us n minus 1 d, right? So this will still be, I hope that you've seen how this comes together to give us n minus 1 d, right? So we're going to say this will give us plus n minus 1 d as well. Then we go to the next one. The next one will be this one here, right? So we have this and that. It will give us 2a1, right? This and this, 2a1. Then remember this is 2d. I'm going to expand this again. It will give me nd minus 3d plus 2d. That will give me nd minus d. Again, I factorize. That will give me n minus 1 d. Then we're going to have a gap, okay? And then we're going to continue with our addition here. The addition again is going to be this and this is a minus 1. There's no need to expand this because I don't have any d anywhere. So this will become 2a plus n minus 1 d. Right? So now if we were to count all these terms, if you remember in our previous issue, we found out that this was actually n terms, meaning that this we can also say that we can multiply by n and then have 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this gives us the whole set. Okay, so if we were to count all the terms, there will be n. And then we are seeing that this is repeating. This is the same, this is the same, that is the same, that is the same, right? Meaning that we're going to have that. But we must remember that this was 2Sn, right? So we're going to have 2Sn is equal to n. Then we open the brackets. We have 2a plus n minus 1 d, and then we close the square brackets. Then we can simplify this by dividing with 2 there. Then we can say that let's summarize it like this. We've run out of space. I like to have everything on the same page. Okay, so now we can say that this now simplifies to Sn, okay, is equal to n over 2, right? Then we put our bracket there. Then we have 2a, right, plus n minus 1 d. All right, so now we can say that we've managed to derive this formula. All right, all the best. Again, share with your friends, and then remember to subscribe to the channel.